Okay, hey guys. So, I'm pretty sure that my boyfriend's been cheating on me. Ever since he lost his job, he sits around at home all day. I come home and I ask him what he's been doing, and he gets real weird. He won't answer my questions. And then stuff's gone missing, and everything seems like kind of out of place. When I get home, like it's all been like straightened up and cleaned, but not quite how it was when I left. Anyway, today's the day that ends because I'm gonna catch him in the act live on camera for you. All right? Get ready, Jeff. Surprise! Haha!
Hey,
What are you doing?
applying for jobs?
Where's our fridge?
Listen, don't,
Jeff,
no, it's not what it looks like.
what are you doing?
Nothing, get this.